Now, let's select the icons here. We can decide to extend their animation so that they have a longer animation, or we can choose for them to show up on the slide at a bit later than the other elements. Then select another of the icons here and make it just a bit further, and then select the third icon and change its entry point to be a bit distant. And now when we play the slide, they will show on it one by one as the slide progresses. We can do that for the player, but expand its animation a bit longer. Also for the video, we can do a specific timing. For the text, we can do another longer animation. And for the smaller text, we can do a later entry point, as well as the subtitle. The title should be first, so it should be visible earlier. The buttons can be selected to show up in different entry points as well, one by one. And the picture would be last. Now, we've set entry points for our elements. Let's play. And as you can see, first we have the icons, then the texts, and last we have the buttons and the image. When it comes to its point, as you can see now, it shows up last. We can pause. We can restart so that we can see the animation one more time if necessary. And when we are happy with what we have as a result, we can stop it and save. Each element has in their channel different options to be performed. For example, we can hide them and make them non-visible, or return their state and make them visible again. We can lock their position and their timeline settings so that they are not selectable when we edit the slide. As you can see, other elements are selectable, but the icons are fixed and non-selectable. We can unlock them from here. We can change their names with a better custom title or name that we want, and when ready, we just click on the tick, and that is going to be the way this element is named from now on. For example, let's change the name for the audio. Let's make it presentation. We hit enter. That's another way to save the title. And now this element will be named in all triggers and all of the settings. It will be named as presentation. But be careful when naming your elements so that it's understandable for you, it's comprehensive, and you don't get lost in the channels or in the titles of different elements you have on the slide. And when ready, we can save.